let the argument be Malidan and Vybz Kartel. I don't think Vybz Kartel should be on the top 5 list. Reason being, I'll clarify. The list
is... You have something against Kartel?
No, I don't.
Yo, the disrespect, fair choose either Malidan or Vybz Kartel for the 5th place. Be either song of the year or artist of the year. Me no business of which one of the year them. You see me? Yeah, the disrespect. So every motherfucker with a platform feel like say them can hurt Vybz Kartel. Imagine growing up and have vibes to Vybz Kartel and Vybz Kartel artists are, you just know say Vybz Kartel always I get the most fight. You see me? And you grew up now and I join the fight. Remember, you know, the man just done beat the system, you know. So when you're like a fight, I go do. When you feel say you're like a fight can do. A man will have 100,000. You could have 1 million people on your platform. Sir P did have the most subscribers. What you don't feel like you can do, I join in pan the 8. You see me? Yeah man, this is real talk.
This is real talk.
Real talk.
DJ Dreadbeard, subscribe now.
Yeah man, people, DJ Dreadbeard, they are black again with another one, you see me? If you don't know a real talk, me I make you like the video, subscribe, you see me? If you don't know a real talk, me I make. So yo, the brother when name Jeffrey, bro. The man I carry interview feelings from way around a one part forward right back in 2026, like, bro, as me said earlier in the intro, bro, on a grew up. The whole of we grew up and here's the Vybz Kartel get the most fight. You see me from Bounty Killer and him have to farm the Portmore Empire and all of them things there. And the man survived the whole of them there. The man go to prison 13 years, forward out and get a visa. And they are foreign like nobody does them thing there, bro. You see me? The man even do it bigger than Buju because Buju take longer to get film visa. The man just step out of prison and just step in America. So them man always overcome the fight them, bro. Every little man with a platform feel like so them can't eat Vybz Kartel, bro. And Vybz Kartel can't hurt the whole of you, bro. Like personally. I just feelings and I care. Like you know. Say yo, you know what? Vybz Kartel don't give me the interview, so me I go be biased. Me I go put him up against Malidan for the 5th place. You see me? It don't make no sense. It don't make no sense, bro. And then the man give Whites. The man give Whites song of the year 2 times. See? Yo, the way all the 8 and the man them premeditate this. No man no correct no man, bro. No man no correct no man and say you know say Whites can't in a 2025 again. You see me? So what the man do is the man give Whites it 2 times in a row, bro. All because him know say yo, masicka I go against Vybz Kartel right now, so that a film little way. That a film little way off a clap back at Vybz Kartel because Vybz Kartel never give him the interview. Bro, you go sit down no man. Bigger fight the man go through, bro. Every man with a little platform, bro. Right now I run up and down, same way like. You don't learn, bro, so if you little fight can't do nothing. Yo, like for the platform I gonna end up dead left. Vybz Kartel, bro. You not gonna survive for the little platform if you don't even continue down the road there. Because that's the whole of your credibility right there, so you know, nobody no want to hear what you have to say, you know, right after this, you know. You see me? Big God is the greatest, bro. You put Whites fall off already, you know. Yeah, and me don't want to repeat some of the things that me I gonna say over the main channel, but Whites fall off already, bro. God is the greatest already in our class of its own way, a timeless. God is the greatest our timeless music. Just like how you have Mariah Carey song we play every Christmas and you see me? Busy Signal have a song where I say happy birthday my friend. Them song that your birthday ever forward. You see me? Thank you, Jamie. Wake up this morning. Them song they are timeless. As at the same category, God is the greatest God in us. So for you, I put one whole song, a whole masicka song just because, bro. A masicka, bro. Beg masicka one interview, bro. Yeah. Beg masicka one interview. Cause all I wanna do and I prop up masicka. It look like our interview on a look. And true, you know some masicka button easy for press. Yeah, so una say, yo, a masicka get artist of the year and song of the year and everything of the year. Because una try look at interview. Just say it, man. Just say it. Just beg the man an interview publicly, man. You see me? Because him button easy for press. Because right now him vulnerable, you know. Masicka vulnerable, you know. So any little man where him see, I prop him up. And I say my artist of the year and I say nothing good about him. Yeah. He probably just go to interview. So I see what I do, bro. Yo, you see if Whites, they put masicka up on a different level. Make him win all the Mobo and some other awards and thing. Them would understand why you still a prop up Whites, bro. and give Whites Song of the Year again like 2 times in a row, probably would have understand that, bro. If Whites was that a big of an impact, bro. Whites just come like one more Masicka mute song them or something, bro. I don't know way impactful, bro. It have a little impact over the rest of the song them, yes? We see whole stadium have sing it and it have a little impact. We see the money pull up on them something. So yeah, we're not gonna say it never have it impact. But I wanna Masicka biggest song in his career other than Infrared. You see me? It give him the most pull up and it make some other people recognize him and them thing there. Other than the Hit and Run, where him have the collab with Hit and Run with Sensia, where the African them get to know him. Because the Sensia Hit and Run, they cross whole heap of borders and go over Africa. And that's how Masicka even get one rookie award from over Africa. So take them something out of it. Bro, Whites not get nothing. Whites not sell nothing. You know sell silver. You know make him nominate for no mobile. You know do nothing at all, bro. So why? You know say Whites? Why would you bring over Whites in 2025, bro? Simple, me know why. Because you say, yo, Masicka go against Vybz Kartel, so we are going to give Masicka one song. You see me? We are give one song, we get Artist of the Year or Song of the Year or something. Because we are going against Vybz Kartel. This, yo, you see the whole reasoning, bro? It was about Vybz Kartel, like for this Vybz Kartel, the whole thing. He might even get a man where say him a Gaza man and the man would even stick out and say God is the greatest of the song, you know, bro. God is the greatest of the song over the whole of them song you wanna attack, you know. Because if you check social media, people interact with God is the greatest and that one of the criteria, the social media impact. Just put a hashtag God is the greatest, side of a hashtag Passenger Princess, or anyone of the song them where you say I need to get Artist of the Year. Or anyone of the song them want to say I get Song of the Year. Just put hashtag side of them and see who get the most interaction. How much people interact with them song. God is the greatest, the we are ahead. So if you don't even stick to full criteria where you make up. If you need stick to the criteria, God is the greatest, so that be Song of the Year on full platform, but you don't not even stick to your own criteria, bro. Because if you need to stick to the criteria, then you don't attack all of them nonsense they want to attack. You see me? Yo, you know one more thing when I notice with him, Jeffrey, not only Jeffrey, but everybody, every time them about fish talk some crap about Vybz Kartel or disrespect Vybz Kartel, hear them no? Yo, Vybz Kartel a legend. Vybz Kartel do this, Vybz Kartel do that. Yo, all the way you go say after what you just say about Vybz Kartel a legend, it no matter again, you know? Yeah, you go like say because I say Vybz Kartel a legend, we are going to say, yo, the brother, him no bias, you know? Because remember, him just don't tell us the Vybz Kartel a legend, bro. As some primary school style up, bro. Before you disrespect the man, you give him one little flowers. You see me? You give him one little flowers and say, yo, Vybz Kartel like baddest thing. You see me? Vybz Kartel a legend, but me not give him Artist of the Year. Me rather give Mali than him over Vybz Kartel. On 5th place. You see me? So then like a basic school and then like a knucklehead style and like a fish brain style where me notice everybody will eat Vybz Kartel always do that. Everybody will eat Vybz Kartel and always do that. Then go and like say them give him flowers first, you know. Yeah, you see me? But yo people, I want more quick and fast reasoning, you see me? Yeah man, that's how we do it, man. Any little thoughts we have with us, record it, you know, quick and fast. This is Real Talk, you see me? So if you don't know say a Real Talk me make, just drop a Real Talk and subscribe to the channel, you see me? And you see the red arrow there where I point to the video there. If you don't know watch it yet, go and go watch it now, it's still fresh, you see me? Yeah man, DJ Dreadbeard, this is Real Talk, signing out.
This is Real Talk.
Real Talk.
DJ Dreadbeard, subscribe now.